welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, I don't know if it is just me, but I've been to quite a few stores and I have seen the pumpkins. I have seen the Halloween up. I have seen the things, okay? We are getting into the fall season and I feel it and I'm excited. It is my favorite season. I love me some fall. I love me some boots. Even though I'm in Nashville, I can wear boots throughout the entire season because I can. But I love the fall season, so I'm so excited, and we just have to get into some transitional fragrances that I am excited about wearing. These will be on my tray, so you will see them again in another video, but let's get into it now. I'll say top 5 fragrances that I'm excited about wearing for the transitional fall season. So as we know, fall is coming up the end of September, kind of September 22nd or something like that. But I love me some BDK Velvet Tonka. I don't know if I'm just the only one that loves this beautiful almond fragrance, or if I'm the only one that loves this beautiful almond fragrance. Love this down, okay? She is so good. I think this is such a great transitional fragrance. It just makes you smell so effortless, which I love and adore about fall. I feel like fall is so effortless. I feel like all the fun happens in the fall. The fashion happens in the fall. The beautiful sweaters happen in the fall. I just love the fall season, the leaves, the change, all the things. And this is certainly a great change. From the summer into fall, it gives you this powdery type of scent. So it's like a nutty fresh, okay, type of fragrance, and I adore it so much. So do you like BDK? Do you like I know there's some other versions. I think there may be an intense out there, but I love the original. This is so good, delicious, nutty, and just all for me of comfort and change. And look at the juice. I mean, the juice itself, it gives you fall vibes. Next up, another fragrance. If you know, I am on a new mission for a passion fruit fragrance. Now this has passion fruit in the middle, so it's not as like in your face of passion fruit of what I'm looking for. However, this is a wonderful transitional fragrance. And if you love rose, if you love citrus, and ozonic notes, you know, if you like that type of profile mixed with a little or a lot of vanilla and some amber, you would love Scythe. Okay, this is from Tiziana Terenzi. I've talked about this on this channel before. I don't hear a lot about this fragrance, but it is truly a great transitional fragrance. It takes you into fruity, it takes you into citrus. It also like gives you that vanilla. It's so good. I love this down. Rose. So if you're looking for something that has a floral touch, a woody touch, and definitely a fruity citrus touch, look no further. This is so good. Very good transitional, bright type of fragrance. I love this down. It is so good. You can wear this, I mean, to a luxury setting, to a casual setting. You can wear this to work. You can wear this on a date. This is so versatile, and I feel like you would enjoy this as a great transitional fragrance for the fall. Next up, I feel like there is a time for this fragrance, and the time is now. Definitely a great transitional peach, but pastry, cinnamon type of fragrance. And I am talking about Navatus Peach Arum in partnership with Sharita M. This is so beautiful, okay? Especially for transitional. It gives you fruity, spicy, and comfort, right? It also gives you like this almost pastry bread-like in the background. It's so good and delicious, but it's not like this heavy foodie gourmand, and you all know I love a good heavy foodie gourmand. I'm your food girl, right? That's the problem. But I love also how this fragrance allows it to be very flaky and puffy, but also spicy and fruity. Like, I love the blend. I love the combination. And this is a perfect transitional fragrance if you're looking for something fruity, but kind of fall scent, like the changing, right? It gives you fruits but changing you into that spicy cinnamon fall type of fragrance. I love it. I love it. I love it down. I love the bottle. This is so good. Highly would recommend. It's definitely going to be on my tray for the month of September because we're going to get our wares on this. We're going to love her a little bit more. Take baby out of the corner because it is the season, in my opinion, to dust her off and wear her down, sis. Next up, another cinnamon but saffron. So we got a little sexiness and woody. Oh, I adore this fragrance so much. You all have heard me talk down about, like, I talk this fragrance up all the time, okay? And that is from Goldfield and Banks. This is Silky Wood, okay? Silky Woods is the bomb.com. And such a no-brainer transitional fall fragrance, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. I mean, you have an opinion, I have mine, and effortless, okay? It's like no-brainer. You can wear this casual. You can wear this on a date night. You can wear this this is definitely, if you work from home, this is great. If you want to be like a bougie day work from home, right? You like, you know what? I want to get a little cute. You know, I want to put on my other cute Christmas socks. Well, maybe that's me. Okay. And I want to wear an outfit that matches. That is luxury in itself. If you work from home, you know what I'm talking about. An outfit that matches, you trying to be bougie for the day. This is so bougie, okay? And this will fit right up your alley for your, party on the top, matching bottoms, okay? So I love Silky Woods. So good, so sexy, and you have to have it. You have to have it. Like, transitional fall, you have to have it. Goldfield and Banks Silky Woods. Next up, I feel like this fragrance is popular, girl, for the fall, and it could be just me and my imaginary mind, but this plum, this pink pepper in this, right, rose, musk, it's rightfully owned as a popular transitional fall fragrance, okay? And I am talking about from Narciso Rodriguez. Yeah, you said it. Musk Noir Rose. Oh my goodness. Like, I feel like all the girlies talk about her for the fall season, for transitional fragrances. Like, this is like sexy date night. But I threw it on. I'm here. This is like boss babe at work. Try not to I feel like with transitional fragrances, you don't have to be choking out the people. Like, right, as we get into the winter season, because it gets a little bit colder, then choke out everybody, pleasantly, do your thing and cough up the people or have the people cough up whatever. Anyway, you could be really bold as we get into the winter season. But I feel like this is like a comfort, I'm the boss. Like, I don't have to do too much. Like, spray her on and she does the work for me, right? Like, this is like the assistant, go and grab my bag. It's one of those. It's so good. I mean, popular for a reason. Okay, she is beautiful. If you do not have Narciso Rodriguez Musk Noir Rose, highly would recommend. But would I say, sis, blind buy this? I'm not saying blind buy this. Did you hear me say that? No. I said I love it. But you might not jam with this, right? This might not be your profile. You're looking at me like, you said she was the popular transitional fragrance. Like, sis, are you okay today? Totally okay. But I really do feel like this is so to me, unmatched. I said it, unmatched on a transitional fragrance, because I don't have to you don't always have to come in yeah, been here, done that, been in the room, been out of the room, been in the room. This just does the work for you. I love it. I love it. Okay, I said it. Say what you want in the comments. I said it. Musk Noir Rose, great transitional fragrance. Bold, bad, bougie, boss girl, boss moves all day, every day. And she will be on my tray for September. So welcome, sis. Gonna be smelling good. Well, that's all, family, for my top 5 transitional fragrances for the fall. What are yours? I want to know down below. Comment down. Let me know what your top 5 are for this fall season. And of course, it doesn't have to be my list. This is my list. I want to know your thoughts, your list. What are you excited to wear for the fall season? You feel it. It's coming. We're excited. Well, I'm excited. But make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, and make sure, fam, you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. Yep. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah. Hello. Yo, sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.